Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trix and I'm back with another video.
Besides, you belong here.
Well, I'm still close to Trix.
Can't stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. When I'm some bitch, my bros, I'ma make it. They want me gone, I can't walk around naked. Even my brother got caught and he ate it. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Feel like the greatest, I think I'm the GOAT. Please don't get naked, I just want to throw out of my...
Hey guys, how are you doing? How's the family? I hope everything's good. I hope you're safe. So as you can see by the title, I don't know how I'm going to title it today. Well, the video is just, you're going to be seeing me organizing my phone, give it a like aesthetic type vibe. And I don't know if I want to color code it yet or do it by, I think I'm going to color code it. You guys are going to see me color code my phone. And yeah, I'm going to pick an aesthetic background and we're going to do this all together. So let me start my screen recording. Okay, so you guys are looking at my phone and oh yeah, it's like so, but we're gonna go do it all together. And I have the iPhone XS. I think I should do a video on what's on my iPhone. I mean, you guys are gonna see it now, but like I could go explain, because I did do what's on my iPhone 7, but that was like 3 months ago. My phone drowned. Tragic sight. But yeah, here's my phone. So let's get right to it. Let me stop talking. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to it. Okay, so let me scoot over so I could give some space for my screen record. Okay, so oh my god, this is gonna take forever. So like, I don't know if I want to do it like from lightest. I think I should do it lightest to darkest. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna start off with yellow. So we're gonna put all the yellow thing. No, let's start off with blue. Blue might be easier. Why are you not going in? So you're just gonna hold it and drop it in there. What? Why is it playing games? Like, I don't have time for that. There we go. So we're gonna put all the blue ones together first. Okay. Where are my other blue ones? Come over here. Nah, bruh, come over here. Let's see if I can get everything on one page. I doubt it. I mean, I can. I mean, it's not that much it's not that many colors. Twitter. Come on, let's go. Here's my VPN app. I don't know, so like, I know you guys are from like different counties and probably states too. So okay, do your school have Wi-Fi? Because my school have Wi-Fi, but like with the Wi-Fi you can't use Instagram and stuff like that. So we used to have the little VPN so we could use our Instagram. And then this year the VPN started not work, like they just stopped working. I guess they got on, someone put them on game. And yeah, so like I don't have no VPN, but it's okay. I use my data, but like it's like just like dang, I enjoyed using your Wi-Fi for free. Why is this low-key relaxing? Oh my god, I might start doing this to people's phones. I'll be like, hey, let me see your phone, and give it back to them. Super different. Thing. Love me, yes, and you ugly. Let's go Fortnite. Dang, that's a whole bunch. So I don't know if dumb ways to die, if it's looking like, because it's more purple than blue. So yeah. PayPal, let's go. Clips. I mean, I feel like it should be in the middle. I'm gonna start a new tab that's purple and blue. Move. Let's go. Why are you going over there? Okay. So like, see, that's purple and blue. This is purple and blue. Let's go. Yeah. So it's gonna fade from blue to purple. Do I have any other purple ones? This one. Let's see. They love me. Yeah, they like me. This one is oh, I love you. Oh my god, dang, I got so many apps. Okay, you over here. YouTube. Schoology. Oh my gosh, I gotta go on Schoology. Are you guys doing online classes? Tell me how the first day of online school I got an F for not commenting here. Like, I was so sad because I could have got a free A, but I was asleep, and I missed a chance of having a free A. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so when I'm done with blue and purple, I will be back so we can start the other two colors. Okay, I'm back. So let me start the screen recording, and now. Okay, so this is blue so far, and that's purple. So now I think we're gonna go with the pink because it's not that much. I think running thread will go into purple. Like, yeah, go in there, bro. It's like some of these apps, they got too many colors and they don't really fit. Okay, so you're finna go in there. I mean, I should merge pink and red. I don't know. Made it. Okay, let's start with red. Yes, 9,000 emails. Video Leap is looking very much red orange, so I don't know. Let's go hop out over here. Okay, I don't know where TikTok about to go. I mean, I did have another app that had pink and red. Where are you? Oops, I lost you. There we go. Come back out here. Yeah, there we go. You be with TikTok. Let's get started on red too. Oh, this one is red, blue, and white. So you could go with them. Forgive me. And then this is the blue and purple. So you will go over here. Yeah. Okay, here go the black apps. Okay, so I'm gonna finish organizing them and then we're gonna do it all together. Like, we're gonna put it in the order. So yeah, back again. So we're almost done. Well, we're not done. Stop the screen recording. So we're on the last page. Okay, let's just try to move everything closer to the first page so I don't have to be swiping back and forth. Let's go with pad. So you're gonna be an orange, of course. Okay. Now we just have the bottom ones. We're gonna see where we're gonna stick them in at. Okay. Tell me how my SD card had the audacity to run out of space real quick, but we're back. Okay, so basically I put yellow first, blue, then purple and blue, and like it's like a mixture. Then we went to like the pink, and then we went off to orange. I said orange. We went off to red, then we went off to orange, then we went off to green, and then we went off to colors that had like a whole bunch of stuff going on. It's like too much going on, it can't be picked, and they all have a white background color. I hope you get what I mean. And then we got the black, and then we have gray. So I just left the bottom rows because I use those every day. Like, I use it every day. So I only have one row, like, blah. Okay, so now it's time for us to go pick a nice cute aesthetic background. So hop on your search engine and let's go. First, we're gonna look for our aesthetic background. We're gonna look for baddie aesthetic backgrounds. Okay, so hop on your search engine. Let me start recording. Yeah, ooh. So we're gonna put aesthetic baddie background. Okay, so you don't have to pick the same one I picked because we all have different styles. Just pick which one you think is cute and like mess with you, like you mess with. I feel like I'll go more of like a yellow or red. I said red or pink or light blue. Oh, glitter. I actually use this background for my like Instagram. I said Instagram for my intro. I really like it though. No, what we're gonna do is add brats. We're gonna find a brats one. Yeah. Okay, so my camera died for a quick minute, and now we're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna go to wallpaper. It didn't die yet, but it's gonna die, so we're just gonna wait out. So I found this cute little Bratz doll, and she's like so cute. Like, she's a baddie, 1996. So we're just gonna put her. I wish we could put it back a bit. Okay, set. This will be my lock screen. I know. And set as my home screen. Guys, my camera died for real. So this is our lock screen. She's so pretty Bratz doll. And yeah, that's a lock screen. And then this is our home screen, the Louis Vuitton background. And here's our apps. Here's yellow, blue, purple and blue, or whatever we're mixing up. And then we have pink, hot pink, and whoa. And then we have our red, spicy. Then we have orange. Orange, you glad to see me today? Like what? And then we have green. Yeah. And then we have what's that? This is just the rainbow, I guess. The ones with the white background. And then we got the black one with the black background, and then we got gray. And then these are just the apps I use every day. So like it's gonna take me a while to figure it out, but it's okay. Cause when you need an app, all you gotta do is search it up. Da 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 da. And that's it. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys like it. Hey guys, so my camera really did die, but I'm recording off my phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, me organizing my phone, giving it an aesthetic type look. And if you guys have any other requests, just comment down below. This video was actually fun to make. I just hope I remember where I put stuff now, but I will. So if you guys have any other videos, just comment down below. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up, comment what phone you have, and make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I am signing out. Period. Bye y'all.
Coordinated. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Feel like the greatest, I think I'm the GOAT.